Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and this video is brought to you by Fair and Up. We're here in the fabulous YouTube space in LA, and we have the fabulous Jasmine of Get Kate, who's going to make amazing superheroes. So get ready for this one.
Yep.
Are you excited about superheroes?
I'm very excited.
Do you have a favorite?
Can I be honest?
Sure.
My favorite's Wonder Woman, and he told me his favorite was Wonder Woman too, and we just became best friends.
Yeah, we are now best friends. We're gonna cut our hands, do the blood
just
swear and everything.
Yes.
Yeah. We're gonna make some amazing superhero pancake art. So get your underoos ready and let's get to it.
Let's get started.
Wonder Woman. We're making Wonder Woman. Do you have a favorite person who's played Wonder Woman? Are you a Gal Gadot Wonder Woman person, a Linda Carter? Or you just like the comic book?
Just the comic books in general. Believe it or not, at my house, we actually have a lot of the original comic books.
We're collectors. We are collectors at my house. So making this pancake is going to be very special to us.
Special to me too.
There we go.
Can't wait to see it.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so
3, 2,
Wonder Woman. Oh, so cool. Oh, that's so awesome.
That is my favorite one.
I love it.
That is my favorite, yes.
I love it.
Oh, it's a soft spot.
I know, yeah.
And the
and the mic.
spot, yeah. Sorry. And the mic.
Awesome,
It's a very soft spot, but I love it.
Well done, well done.
Are you going to eat this one?
Oh yeah. Get me some Wonder Woman inside me.
Yes.
Okay, so that's how you make amazing superhero pancakes. And
Out of this world
out
pancakes.
of this world pancakes, yes. And if you want to make them on your own, how do they do that?
You guys can actually buy your own pancake art kit, and you guys pre-order this from us at fairandup.us, or you guys can click the link in the notes below. And our pancake art kit's gonna come with bottles, the colors, some really cool videos. That way you guys can do it at home and have a really nice Sunday fun day with your family, friends, and make pancake art like a pro at home.
And if you do, hit us up on Twitter at Jerry James Stone or at GetCakedLA. We'd love to see your artwork. Plus, if you have pancake art making questions, they can ask you, I'm assuming, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Please feel free.
Awesome. Click that link. Thank you, Fair and Up. Thanks for watching, and thank you, YouTube, for letting us film here.
Thank you, guys.
See you guys next time.
See ya.